You've officially hit 13 weeks pregnant. So, welcome to the second trimester, the land of fewer symptoms and bigger cravings. This is the week where your baby is growing faster than your to do list. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's happening inside your belly right now. So, grab a snack or two, no judgment here, and let's dive into everything you need to know about being 13 weeks pregnant. All right, let's start with your little one because let's be real, they're the star of the show right now. At 13 weeks, your baby is about the size of a peach, around 3 inches long, and starting to look less like a gummy bear and more like a tiny human. How cute is that? Okay, so for big milestones this week, their fingerprints are forming. Yep, your baby is already one of a kind. And get this, their vocal cords are developing too. So they're getting ready to scream for milk in a few months. Now, let's talk about you because, Mama, you're doing all the hard work here. First up, well, hello, energy boost. If you've been dragging through the first trimester, you might finally feel like a human being again. Most moms say the nausea starts to fade around now and your energy levels get a little bump. Does this mean you should deep clean the entire house? Nap instead. Trust me, always nap. How about that growing belly? Growing belly equals growing excitement. Your uterus has officially moved up out of your pelvis, so you might notice a tiny bump making its debut. It's the perfect excuse to start practicing those maternity poses in the mirror. Don't lie, we all do it, and it's okay. So here's one weird thing you might notice: bleeding gums. Your hormones are in full drama queen mode and they can make your gums extra sensitive. So don't freak out. It's totally normal. Just keep brushing and flossing gently and let your dentist know that you're pregnant. They'll take extra care of you. All right, now let's get into the fun part, your week 13 checklist, because this journey isn't about just surviving. In fact, here at Birth Prep Academy, we believe it's all about thriving. If you haven't already, now's a great time to start looking into prenatal classes. And here's a spoiler alert. I've got a course that walks you through childbirth and breastfeeding prep so that you're not winging it when the time comes. The link is in the description. I'm just saying. Now I want you to shift your focus to hydration. As a matter of fact, I want you to stay hydrated like it's your job. Your blood volume is increasing like crazy right now. So your body needs extra water to keep things running smoothly. And here's a bonus tip. Add some lemon or cucumber slices if plain water isn't doing it for you. Fancy hydration for the win. Hello. Now, if your jeans are already doing that awkward, barely buttoning thing, it's time to level up, girl. So here's a pro tip. Stretchy leggings are now your new best friend. And I'm not mad at your partner's oversized titties either. Comfort is queen. All right, mama. Before we wrap up, here's a little sneak peek into week 14. Because trust me, things just keep getting better. Next week, we'll talk about the real second trimester glow. Yes, it is a thing. We'll also talk about why your baby might start practicing some ninja kicks and what foods to avoid now that your cravings are in full swing. And let me tell you, there's a special moment that starts to happen in week 14 that moms just absolutely love and go crazy for. So you definitely want to stay tuned. I hope you're feeling excited and maybe a little more prepared for what's ahead. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss next week's episode, because we're diving into all the juicy details about week 14. Oh, and don't forget, drop a comment below. Tell me what your weirdest pregnancy symptom is so far. I love hearing your stories. All right, until next time, Mama, remember, you've got this and I've got you. See you in the next video.